Hospital land. As the county secretary has said, it measures about 20.5 acres of prime land that houses both the PGH annex and also the Memorial Hospital. And it's an example, it's just one example of the numerous irregular title deeds.
On the takeover of management of what was called Nakuru Memorial Hospital, on the above matter refers, the county government of Nakuru wishes to inform the public and the county at large that it has today, on 27th October 2023, taken over the management of what was called the Nakuru Memorial Hospital beginning today. The county government of Nakuru wishes to convey to the public that it has taken over as the custodian of the public land in Nakuru County, that piece of land known as Nakuru Municipality, Block 11/107, following the gazettement of a lease title given in the name of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital Limited.
In this fight, to sensitize people against occupying public land illegally.
Trust have been converted into a private limited company with government representative kicked out under unclear circumstances. Significantly, Nakuru War Memorial Hospital is the only institution of its kind in a private company in the country.
Na kaunti cia Siaya ya Udomwe na Busia